So have you been browsing and been disturbed of this unwanted virus ads, also this again and this again? Make sure you stay till the end of this video to know how you can block all these unnecessary various apps. Okay, they are all virus, so you don't want to be meeting or making this pop up on your screen for you to fall as a victim of these viruses. Sometimes it lets your phone make slow. Okay, when you are using your phone will start going slow. Okay, so to stop all those things, I'm going to show you ways and trick on how to do this in just 2 minutes. So make sure you wait till the end of this video so that you don't omit any step. So let's go to the main video. Welcome back to the main tutorial. So to start this tutorial on how to block unnecessary pop-up virus ad, unwanted virus ad, and malware virus ads, then this video is going to show you step-by-step way to do that. So first step is to make sure your data is on. Either you are using Wi-Fi or whatever you are using, make sure your internet connection is intact before you can do this. So from here, you go to settings on your phone. So when you open the settings, search for DNS, okay, DNS, hit enter to search for this. So when DNS appear, you click on the DNS. So you can see it appear here. I'll click on the DNS. So when I click on the DNS, I'll go in for private DNS. Okay, so you can see it has been located here. Private DNS is being turned off. Okay, so let's click on it. So when you click on it, you pick it from off to private DNS provider. Okay, so for the private DNS provider, make sure I used this before. That is where you see this host name here. You are not going to see it, so make sure you type this host name. Okay, dns.adguard.com. Okay, this is very simple, dns.adguard.com, and make sure your internet connection is intact and click on save. So when you click on save, you can see this is being connected to dns.adguard.com, and this will help you browse without any virus on or popping up on your screen. So you don't finish watching this video and you want to go, no, make sure you tap on the subscribe button right now. Make sure you subscribe before you go, because the next video is going to blow your mind. Subscribe.